Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint a flower bouquet. So this is going to be super simple. I'm using 300 GSM watercolor sheet and I'm going to use few brush sizes. So my first brush size is size 5 round brush for the bigger flowers. So I'm going to create a loose peony here. So for that I have mixed pink and white color together, and I'm creating some of the loose petals like this. So the direction of the peony is towards this side, so keep the petals in that particular direction only. Then keep a negative space in between and cover the other half circle. I'm keeping it very light for the first round, and then we can add some dark shades as well. Now add few more petals towards the outer side. Adjust this shape as per your need. As this is loose peony, so you can paint it as per your wish, and then add yellow color and green dots around the negative space. Now we can add little dark shade as well with the help of pink color itself. So I'm adding in the middle section only, where we are getting two different direction of the petals, the downward direction and the upward direction. Now let's add one more main flower. So this is more like an anemone flower. So I'm creating an ovary. So create an ovary with the black color, add a big black dot and then smaller dot around it. Then with the help of purple or violet mix, add big petals like this. So this is also towards the loose side, so I'm keeping it quite simple. So whenever we create a flower bouquet kind of things, we always try to create few bigger flowers or few main flowers, and then we can fill the bouquet with smaller flowers and flower fillers. So that we are going to do next after this flower. Now I have mixed the purple color as well, and I'm giving more shades of purple in this flower. And once done, you can add a fine line of white colors into the petals. So I'm using very concentrated white color and I'm adding lines like this in all the petals. Now with the help of yellow color, just add one single petals like this around the area. So first I'm using concentrated yellow color, and then with the help of clean water I'm going to spread the color a little bit around this. So we will get different shades of yellow in this particular area, and it will look like it is a bunch of yellow flower, a loose yellow flower. Now with the help of green color, just add little stems in between. Okay, now with the help of blue color, add simple flowers like this. So these are 5 petal flowers. You can keep the flowers petal size a few smaller and few bigger, so that you will get different perception of the flower. So I'm adding 3 petals little bigger and 2 petals little smaller for all the flowers. Same we can do this side as well. Now with the help of cobalt blue color, I'm going to add few more flowers. So the shape is same, but I'm adding more flower towards this side. I'm keeping this flower bouquet very simple so that even beginner can paint this easily. Once done, add ovary of the flower, add little dots in between these flowers, and then with the help of green color, so I'm adding sap green and phthalo green together, add stems of the flower. So I'm attaching all these small flowers together with the help of fine stems and a bigger stem for the bigger flowers. Add sepals as well. This should look like it is a bunch of blue flowers in a single stem. This stem should be little thicker as compared to the other stem because this is quite a big flower. So consider all these points and add multiple stems and leaves for the bouquet. So first we are adding stems and then we are going to add leaves. So basically you have to use different shades of green to add leaves now. So first I'm using the same dark green color to add leaves. So I'm adding very simple leaves. These are 1-stroke leaves. You can simply apply a little pressure around your brush to create a structure like this, and then add little yellow color into green to get different shade of green color. This is yellow green color, and add more leaves into it. So the composition of flowers and leaves are totally up to you. You can add all these flowers and leaves based on your composition and your choice. I'm just adding all these leaves randomly here and there, not thinking too much. Add little different shades of different shape of leaves as well. As this is anemone flower, so this flower has different texture of leaf altogether, so I'm trying to add that kind of texture around this. So basically we just need to finish this with the help of leaves. So add more leaves if you're not done. I think we should add more flowers. So I'm adding more flowers in here with the help of pink color with the basic shape. I think we should add some more leaves towards right side, little hanging. So all these are totally up to you, how you like to see your flower bouquet. And I think we are done. So I'm just sprinkling the white color around the main flower just to add little texture around it. So it is optional. So hope you have liked this video. Do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.